Hi guys, this is a 2003 Toyota Hiace van. We had the crank oil seal leaking. So underneath we got the crank seal for this one, but the leaking is somewhere else. You can see. You can see it's underneath in here. This cover is leaking oil. Okay guys, we undo all the bolts. So then we're going to lever the front oil pump housing. Okay, you can see the O-ring. It's a big O-ring, that's why it's leaking oil. So we need to change that O-ring. So you can see the top cover parts. So we're going to off the O-ring. You can see this O-ring is getting very getting this hard, this rubber, so that's why its oil is leaking. So we're going to on the new gasket, rubber gasket. So right, we're going to install the oil pump cover. Okay, we all in. Where are the screws? So we're going to start the car. Okay guys, no any leak found. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.